I'm Mr. Boy. How do you do, my friends? Delicious drinks are in. Stay with me, otherwise, you will miss these delicious drinks. Hello, everybody. Today, we want to learn how to make delicious drinks together, and I have a surprise for you. And let's go. Here we have chocolate shake. Add some ice cream to the mixer. Now add milk. Normally we add milk to get more dense. Some cocoa powder. Mix them. It's time to add some Nutella chocolate to our shake. Pour some chocolate into the glass in order to look better. It's time to add shake to the glass. Add Nutella chocolate one more time. Now add some cream. And again Nutella chocolate. Here is our shake. Bon appetit! Let's go for our surprise. At first, add some iced milk into the mixer. You can use milk too. Add some dates into the mixer. Add nuts such as walnut, pistachio, cashew, and almond. And ginseng powder. Mix them well. Bon appetit! We call this drink an energy plus drink in Iran. Let's go to the next one. Make a banana into two pieces and add it into the mixer. Add iced milk. And now add mango and honey at the end. Mix them. It's ready to serve. Now that you see a carrot juice, let's go for a delicious drink. Getting the carrot juice like this. Now, here is the carrot juice. It will be more delicious with two ice cubes. The next drink is so delicious and famous in Iran. At first, add some iced milk, like before, into the mixer. Now add pistachio, then honey. Mix them. Our drink is ready. Which one of these drinks you like more? Write down for me in the comments if it was useful and if you learned even a small point like this video. And if you're not a member of my channel yet, do not forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to learn how to make this waffle or this crepe, watch the next video.